Oh no! Look at the flowers. They look very sad. Today, Mia, Leo, and Ben are in the school garden. Can they save the plants? Watch to find out. Welcome. Let's learn English through story. It is a beautiful sunny morning. Mia, Leo, and Ben are walking to the school garden. I love nature, says Mia. She smiles at the trees. I want to play, says Leo. He is full of energy. Look at the colors, says Ben. He points to the green grass and the blue sky. Suddenly, Mia stops walking. She looks down at the flower bed. Her smile goes away. Oh no, says Mia. The flowers are dry and brown. They are drooping down. The plants are thirsty. They need water right now. Leo wants to help. He runs to the big blue water bucket and tries to lift it. It is too heavy, cries Leo. He cannot move it alone. Ben looks at the vegetable patch. He sees unwanted green plants growing next to the carrots. The garden is messy, says Ben. There are too many weeds. The friends have a problem. Thirsty flowers, heavy water, and a messy garden. Let's work together, says Mia. We make a great team. She kneels down. Mia pulls the weeds out. Pluck, pluck. Now the carrots have space to grow. Next, Leo and Ben look at the heavy bucket. Let's lift it together, Ben. 1, 2, 3, lift, says Leo. They hold the handle together. They carry the bucket to the flowers. Splash! They pour water on the dry plants. Slowly, the flowers stand up. Their leaves turn green again. They look happy. We did it, shouts Ben. The three friends high five. Clap. Great job. Number 1, garden. The flowers grow in the garden. Thirsty. The plants needed water because they were thirsty. Number 3, the bucket was too heavy for one person. Mini quiz. Question: who pulled the weeds? Was it Mia or Leo? Yes, it was Mia. She cleaned the carrots. Working together makes hard jobs easy. You can help nature too. Do you like to help in the garden? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.